Transform your windows in one afternoon without sewing. With Traceable Designer, you won't believe how easy it is to make beautiful custom valances that look professionally designed, fit any window size, shape, or design style. Traceable Designer valance kits include patented, reusable, no-sew valance design forms used to make unlimited window valances, making them the perfect home decorating tools. This multi-style valance kit includes everything you need to convert your fabric into professional-looking, fully lined, stiff and crisp Cornice valances without sewing. With a selection of 3 no-sew valance design form styles, you're sure to have the perfect valance style for every window in your home. You also have 2 no-sew table decorating design forms for making table accents to match your valances. To get started, select fabric to match your decor, then use the included fusible fabric backing to add lining to your fabric section. Position the small or large sizing line on the folded fabric edge and trace around the edges. Then simply follow the trace line to cut out your valance center panel. Make valance side panels and use the included Velcro to hang your valance using a 2.5-inch wide pocket curtain rod. Make any number of center panels to fit your window size. Layered panels are adjustable on the curtain rod for a perfect custom fit. Each valance style also includes a single panel option. Create a rod hanging pocket and hang your valance using a 1-inch metal curtain rod. You'll find a complete library of step-by-step video tutorials on YouTube. Simply follow along to make your professional-looking custom valances. Store your reusable design forms in the original box so they're always on hand for every new window decorating project. When no-sew custom decorating is this easy, why settle for less? Make your mark with Traceable Designer.